Hi guys, we have lovely weather in Hyderabad today and I decided to come to one of the most beautiful locations. You can hardly see any people here, but at night time there's a lot of crowd over here. It's called the Himayat Sagar Lake. Let me show you. There it is.
So that's it guys, we are moving to the next location. Stay tuned.
It's been a long day shoot and now it's time for some yummy food. So we are here at the Megwani restaurant and we're going to have some delicious food. What are you eating in veg? It's been a wonderful day for me today, coming to places in Hyderabad that are still unexplored by the youth of today. And we've had a very good lunch. There's a very nice restaurant over here. This is a deer park that we've just come to for a walk after a heavy lunch. And there are a lot of deers over here. Brings back a lot of childhood memories. So if you would like to visit a place that is quiet and serene for one of the weekends instead of going to noisy places, then this is the place you need to come. Mrugayana Park. So we have come to the end of yet another beautiful day in my lovely city of Hyderabad. It was so much fun shooting this video today and I hope you guys enjoy it too. I hope I've done justice to show you the beauty of untouched Hyderabad, and please visit our city soon.